Well, good morning. I'm Tom Streak with Harmony Homes, and we're on another great little project. We're in the city of Toronto, where a client of ours has purchased an older home, but in a great subdivision, great street area in Toronto. There's a lot of money getting reinvested in these properties, and the owners are just enjoying the real healthy appreciation in their properties. So this particular project, we're going to demolish and reinstall a whole new kitchen, granite countertops. The old subfloor tile alternative is going to get lifted. We're going to install a nice new ceramic tile for the customer and redo a lot of the wiring, enter in, install some pot lights, some accent lighting, and trim, paint. We're going to cut out some walls, being very sure that we're not jeopardizing the integrity of the structure. That's critical. So we're really excited to be here. It's still early spring, the weather's great. You hear the banging on the roof. The roofers are already tackling the shingles. And so we're excited to get started. Stick with us and you'll see the ongoing project as it unfolds and then right to completion. Welcome back, folks. We're here right in the middle of the demo phase, probably the most enjoyable part of it, until at the end you get to appreciate all the final project and it's finished. So we're, as you can see, still ripping out the kitchen area, and it's going quick, and it's a nice job on a Friday morning to just clear your head and swing away. So by the way, we're replacing that window too, so if I break it, it's no big deal. Waste Management has done a great job for us to bring a bin, and makes it easy for us just to dispose of the material and the waste right away, keep it clean and safe. There's no one stepping on nails outside, so we'll just keep doing that. If ever you've got any frustrations, this is a great part of the project. Take them out. Some poor old carpenter years ago probably upset me ripping apart his great craftsmanship. The upgrades that the customer is choosing for cabinets is going to bring a great new feature to this place. Another tool that's really handy other than the sledgehammer is a reset saw. This one's by DeWalt. Great durable product. And for cutting anything anywhere, replacing windows, old pipes, nails, this is a real effective little tool. Comes with a variety of blades that cut metal. This is a fine tooth blade, and then of course the more coarse, the wood cutting blade. And so this is the partner for the day next to the sledgehammer. We'll check in with you a little later. Well, good morning, folks. Tom Streak from Harmony Homes back here. I'm actually narrating behind the camera this morning. Day 2 of our Toronto renovation of a probably 57-year-old house, we figure. You can see there's some notation and drawings for the electricians who are coming tomorrow to put new switches, operating a variety of pot lights and other outlets that the customers requested. You can see here where day 1 we were also cutting into interior walls. Very careful that we didn't jeopardize the structural integrity. You can see a beam system that's in the living room and ties over that lumber corner component. So again, can't emphasize enough how careful you need to do that. If you think that's necessary, you need to obviously consult an engineer, architect, have the building inspector involved, and ensure that safety is met. So we've got a little bit more cutting to do. We got to take this opening right back. We're really creating some new light and open concept design here. Oddly enough, the plug that's hanging over the wall there, we did cut into it and shorted out the circuit. Sometimes you can't help that. Everybody was safe, but it was a plug that was left hot in behind the wall, drywalled over. Obviously the switch hanging beside the poster that you can see straight ahead of me that was determined and isolated right off the start, but that corner piece of the doorway here does need to get cut out. The electrician is coming tomorrow to clean up all his odds and ends. So today we're going to finish our cutting, start putting new corner beads, drywalls, mudding, patching, and as you can also see, the floor we've taken right out. There's 2 layers of old peel and stick type tile that we're removing right down to the board subfloor system, of which we'll apply the Ditra underlay you would know as an orange roll for ceramic. Just a fantastic product. We'll talk to you about a little bit more.